Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. It's December 6th. This is a quick update on what's going on under the lights and the first picking of lettuce from the hydroponics. Here's some fresh stuff waiting for a chance to get outside or in one of the hydroponics. Here's some more stuff growing really well. And if you look back there, it's under the blue and red lights. That's some of the prettiest lettuce growing. Let me pull this out. You have ever seen. I know I have never gotten any plants started that looked this incredible. See if I can do this one-handed. Is that amazing? Holy mackerel. But the star of the show today is going to be the first picking. Now, November 25th is when I started these 6 guys. And then I'm going to come over here, and as you can see, November 12th, I started these. Look at this. They're up into the lights. There's 8 plants, and check it out. Bear in mind, it's December 6th. These went in November 12th. This is less than a month, and it's time now to be picking the first of the romaine lettuce. Now, something that I've noticed is that this is the Paris Cage romaine, and it's what I usually grow, and you see how it makes a stem. Not as, it doesn't work real well for me because it hits the lights quick. This over here, the variety, it's called Winter Density, and it seems to be growing a lot better for me. Now, normally I would pick leaves, but since it's all the way to the top, I need to go ahead and get it. So I'm going to do this one here because it's up into the leaves. And there's what we got out of that one. Really good, really going to be tasty, but not the biggest harvest going. But this guy, look at this one. Let's see how this guy's doing. Wow. How's that? How's that for some lettuce? Winter Density is the variety. Hard to tell you, I couldn't hardly be more pleased. It looks like way back in here I need to do one more. We're going to come back to here. Here's another Winter Density. See, when they get up in the lights, you start to get a little burning on the tips. So you got to get them picked early. And these are just gorgeous. Just absolutely gorgeous. So there's my first 3 pickings. Now what I'm going to do is pull those plants out. Let me put this in here. Let's see how we did on the roots. So we're going to pull this out. Wow. No wonder they grew so fast. Those roots run together into some other ones. That's why. What a beautiful set of roots. What some gorgeous root structure. So I can pull my little piece of foam out. There's my whole little plant down inside my yogurt cup. I'll get a new plant ready, a new small plant ready, get it in this cup and get it right back in the water there. So this is my hydroponics, less than a month. We're picking beautiful, beautiful romaine lettuce. You can see there's another beautiful one back there in the back. A couple more coming. This may be an arugula. I think it is. Let's see. Oh, yes, arugula. Plenty of peppery flavor on arugula. Ooh, that's almost hot. That is some delicious stuff. Well, we're going to snitch a few leaves of that. And take those inside to go with tonight's salad. So, some beautiful leaves of arugula. Here's our beautiful pan of romaine. This is David at Grow and Eat This, beginning of the hydroponic winter. If you like these, please subscribe. Hit the little like button so other people, you know, number of likes I think means YouTube treats you nicer. So this is David at Grow and Eat This. This is a very small space to grow some great lettuce here in the middle of winter under a couple of shop lights. Thank you for watching and be safe.